Here we have this 2018 68 plate BMW X4 M40D. Now this vehicle does come with just under £7,000 worth of optional extras included. Now on this vehicle you do get your LED headlights, the black front Kindergirls, M Sport styling kits, you get a big black front splitter. We have 4 superb unscratched unmarked 21-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Being the X40D, we have your bronze wing mirror caps and also the bronze on the front wings. Blacked out styling continues with the privacy glass on the rear and your black window trim. We have your front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. We have your tailgate, which is power assisted. Your upper and lower spoiler lip just there, LED rear light. Now stepping back, you can see this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Going to the rear, I'll give you a quick look at the inside of this vehicle, where you find your full leather seats throughout, ISOFIX points, pull down armrest. You have your loudspeaker, Harman Kardon premium sound system. We have your ambient lighting in the rear with your BMW individual trim, electric windows just there. Going to the front, there's a quick look at the driver's front seat. Now driver and passenger are fully heated electric, and the driver is also memory. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, auto lights, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if you take car into manual mode. You have your heads up display just up there. Screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth, medium Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. We have your gloss black BMW individual trim just down there. Dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seat, and ice cold aircon. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contact the station by next day delivery. HBI clear comes a fresh service, a new MOT, and we do it for competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching.